From groundbreaking scientific advancements to sustainable energy solutions and optimized transportation, the future is unfolding at an accelerated pace in the Ministry of Science, Energy, Telecommunications and Transport. In the 2025-2026 financial year, the ministry has been allocated $29.98 billion for recurrent expenses and $4.51 billion for capital projects, with a revenue target of $892.32 million. Modernizing and expanding the field of scientific research and development is among the ministry's priority focus areas. Two entities lead that charge: the Scientific Research Council and the International Center for Environment and Nuclear Sciences. For ICT development, access, and use, $2.58 billion has been set aside. This includes funding for both the tablets in schools and national broadband initiatives. The Universal Service Fund, which manages both these programs, is also receiving $300 million to offset operational costs. The government is powering up its commitment to energy sustainability with $1.89 billion. To keep the nation's electrical infrastructure running efficiently, $192.88 million will be channeled into electrification services, ensuring robust oversight by the government electrical regulator.
There have been challenges, but with perseverance to date, we have seen house wiring completed for 2,403 houses in 19 communities.
A surge of $1.43 billion will energize key energy management initiatives. Of this, $1 billion will illuminate the path toward energy accessibility, funding the regularization of informal electricity users, house wiring, and system inspections.
We are well underway to be meeting the requirement that has been tasked to us in relation to the 50% renewables by 2030.
Driving the shift toward a cleaner, greener grid, $265.16 million has been allocated to support administration of the National Energy Policy. This investment also includes $120.69 million for the agency mandated to develop and implement the procurement of new generating capacity. Capital investment is also going into this area, with $1.31 billion to be invested in a transformative capital project aimed at enhancing energy sustainability. It will finance the installation of HEPA purifiers in 20 government facilities and 6 hospitals. Phase 4 of the National Integrated Energy Plan will also be completed and energy-efficient lighting installed in 50 public buildings.
Education and enforcement go hand in hand. Therefore, as we build the capacity of our motorists and road users, we ensure that the laws are effective.
Keeping the public informed on transport matters come with a $154.77 million spend. That adds to $26.2 million set aside for the National Road Safety Council's interventions. To drive the broad development of the transport sector, the ministry is putting $217.94 million into policy formulation and sector growth. This includes $136 million sourced from traffic ticket fines. Administration of the Road Traffic Act continues with an allocation of $12.12 billion. From that sum, $1.13 billion is to support the operations of the Island Traffic Authority. The agency facilitates the examination of vehicles and testing of applicants for driver's licenses. The Transport Authority, which serves as the licensing agency for public and commercial vehicles, gets an operating budget of $900 million. And operating expenses for the Toll Road Authority will be covered with a $77.83 million disbursement, most of it to be earned from monitoring fees under the Jamaica North-South Highway Project Concession Agreement.
We have purchased 100 new CNG buses for the improvement of public transportation for the first time in modern Jamaica, and we have done so without any external financing or any needs for loans.
And the government will do it again as another 100 buses are set to hit the road through an allocation of $3.2 billion in the capital budget for fiscal year 2025-2026. For the overall management and functionality of the state-owned bus company, the JUTC, $10.96 billion is allocated. Montego Bay Metro is also budgeted $296 million to offset operating expenses. To support the development of shipping and the regulation of merchant shipping and seafarers, $806.87 million will be spent. This will support the Maritime Authority of Jamaica MAJ's regulatory work. And the ministry is soaring to new heights with the allocation of $8.6 billion for transport management and services for civil aviation. The provision includes $125 million to upgrade air-to-ground radio network and the MEVA 3 network. The Ministry of Science, Energy, Telecommunications and Transport is driving forward with bold investments and strategic initiatives, ensuring a future powered by innovation, sustainability and efficiency.